Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to allow unregistered user at posting in classified listing website which is built with Classima theme. But before we jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. So let's get started. From the right side, click on this post to read. That is why we want to add a listing without logging into the website. So click on it. Then you can see it asking to log in. That is why it doesn't allow to add any listing without login. But in this tutorial we want to learn how to allow unregistered or non-login user at posting in classified listing website, and we can do it from the classified listing settings. So very first we have to log in into the website. So you can log in from here, or you can log in from the login URL. Then give username and password and hover over on this classified listings and click on settings. This is the classified listing settings panel. We have to navigate to the accounts and policy tab. This is the account and policy tab. Click on it. Scroll down. You can see it shows allow post for unregistered user. We have to check this box. So click and check this box. Scroll down and save changes. Now visit the website. We have to check with another browser. So copy this website URL and open up with another browser. Let's try to add a listing without logging into this website. So again click on this post to read. Yes, and now you can see it allow to post a listing without login or unregistered user. Again, for confirmation, go to the admin dashboard and just you can uncheck this box, then save changes and go to the another browser and reload this page. Yes, you can see again it asks for login, so we want to keep it. So allow post for unregistered users, check this box and save changes. Reload this page. Yes, it works that we want. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on WordPress.